Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case the shower drain in your house stinks, especially if you live in an older house. Sometimes in the older houses, there's no seal or anything preventing from gases from coming back up from the sewage and everything like that. So you're gonna get stink come into your shower. And so we can actually take care of it. There's one of these drain seals like this that you can get, which will actually allow the water to drain, but it keeps the gases from coming back up. It has a little seal which allows the water to go down, but doesn't allow the gas to come up. And if you install one of these, they're only like 30 bucks, and you just place one in, you just kind of plug one into the drain on your shower. It will stop the stink from coming out of your shower. So if you're interested in it, I'll go ahead and put a link in the description to where you can get one on Amazon. You can check and make sure the diameter, it's a 2-inch diameter, but it will work with most, but not all shower drains, but it will work with most of them. Just check the diameter of your shower drain. Thanks a lot for watching.